Okay, so now we're going to print the sheets that we have. I only have really two sheets. I haven't gone through and done the third sheet, but I have scenario one. So if I double click on that, that's my original scenario. And I have scenario two, which is not as complete. I haven't gone in and detailed all of this, but you guys will go in and do that on yours. And then um, what I want to do is export these. So if you go to File up here and go to Export PDF, you can export the sheets. I think you've done this before, so you can do the current window, right? So it'll actually do, this A122, and it's going to use the sheet size. You can give it, you know, scenario 2 as the name. And then tell it where to go. I'll just put it in, be more. Let's go ahead and put it in Sky. Plots, right? Use that. It's going to use the sheet size, so whatever sheet size that is, it's going to do 100% presentation and color. And then you just click export, and it will export that sheet, right? And then you would do that for your scenario one. You can, once you get a lot of sheets together, like if you had like 20 sheets, that would be annoying to do that. So if you had a whole bunch of sheets, which we will have more later, you can go to Export PDF. And it's doing the current window, but you can actually go to Selected Views and Sheets here. And if you do that, you can actually edit the sheets that are available for you to print. So if I click on this little edit here, it'll bring up a dialog box, and it's kind of showing me all of the sheets that I kind of have selected for this previous setup. You can see there's, let's just do in session. Like right now, there's a couple of different setups that are pre-existing, but if you just do in session and get rid of hide unchecked views, it'll show all of the views and sheets, that are available to you to print. And so this little display filter, you could come in and say, I don't want to see the 2D views, right? I don't want to see the 3D views. I just want to see the sheets basically, right? And so if you look at the sheets, you can see by the sheet number, there's A121, A122, and A123, right? And so you can check none and just kind of check these three, right? And then if you want to, you can, select those, right? And so it will now combine all those into one sheet set. So if I go to export, and let's give it a module example, let's call it, scenario 1 through 3, right? Although 2 and 1 and 3 are going to be the same, but that's okay. So I'll just click export. And now it's going to print all three of those. You can see it down here kind of processing. And if I go to this guy, pull this over here, and we'll go to module and go to plots. There's scenario 1 through 3, so you can see it has 3 sheets, right? There's 1, 2, and then 3 is going to be the same as 1, basically. But you kind of get the point, okay? So if you need any help with that stuff, I would try, like I said before, just do one, and then I'll come in on Friday and we'll continue with it.